So I've been part of this group for, I think, over 15 years. I stopped counting a while ago, so I could be wrong. At the time, of course, the climate change was in my head, still is, and I wanted to do something other than just donating or learning about it, but I wanted to actually participate physically. So I found this group and I joined. And I didn't know this at the time, but bog is one of the most efficient carbon sink we have. It's more efficient than the Amazon forest because we keep the carbon intact underground. Healthy bog consists of healthy sphagnum moss. Sphagnum moss is the body of a bog, and they like wet, acidic, low nutrient, low oxygen environment. When we see plants that usually belong to forest, for example, when we see hemlock seedlings growing, or polytrichum, those are woodland mosses. So when we see them, we go, something's not quite right, because bog has a condition, as I said earlier, it's very wet, acidic, low in nutrients, but when the other plants, those forest species grow, then that's a sign that balance is shifting. We've been monitoring the water level for over 10 years, almost 20 years, and the trend we see is yes, the bog is drying up, so making it harder for the bog plants to do well, and that gives opportunities for non-bog species to come in. So where we notice the change is that the driest period is getting longer in the summer month.